Before I start giving you all the vocabularies of God, I would like to tell you three things. Those three things you must always keep in your mind. The first thing is, do not bother about what would the people say. Don't bother at all about what would the people say. Even if you do good, they would speak. Even if you do bad, they would speak. So forget bothering about the people's view, that what the people would say about me. Is it clear, children? Second point, what I would say, that never ever say that my luck is bad. Many times we say, ayo, my luck only is bad. Your luck or anybody's luck cannot be bad. There is a time in everybody's life when good, bad, it keeps on coming and going. You are thinking that my luck is bad. Then what about the luck of Lord Rama? One day before his coronation of becoming the king of Ayodhya, one day, okay, he had all the abilities, all the qualities, everything what is needed in a good king. But everything changed a day before. Instead of becoming the king, what happened? He had to go to the forest for 14 years. But he never said his luck is bad, because there was a purpose behind that. Whatever is happening in your life, there is a purpose behind it that it is happening. Nothing happens without a purpose. And the third very important thing, don't ever think the idea of a perfect life. Nobody has perfect life. Even your ECG doesn't have a straight line. It has up and down, up and down, up and down. So, don't dream of a perfect life. Life is always full of ups and downs. Accept it. And whenever you get a problem in life, don't ever focus only on the problem, because if you focus on the problem will look bigger and bigger and bigger. Rather than focusing on the problem, you must focus on the solution, because if God gives one problem, he gives 10 solutions to it. Trial and error. Try on the first one. If you succeed, fine. If you don't succeed, second one, third one. Keep on trying. People say that, come on, I'll see your hand and tell your future. Because I believe people say that all my destiny is written in my hand, the lines of my hand. What do you tell about those people who don't have hands? Both the hands they don't have. Their destiny is also written. Or is their destiny not written? They also have a destiny. It is written there. So, the most important part in your life, if you really want to be happy, don't bother about the views of the people. What will the others think? They will think what they have to think, whether you do good or whether you do bad. They will find fault with you even if you give them a very nice, delicious dinner. They'll find fault in that also. And if you don't give them dinner also, they will find fault that this person is a miser. So do not bother about the people. Second, Repetition again, I am telling you, don't think that it is my bad luck. Nothing is bad, nothing is good. Whatever is happening for a purpose. And there is a divine purpose behind everything. And the third most important point, when we are talking about that I want to have a perfect life, there's no concept of a perfect life. If every day you are having the same thing, there is no excitement in life. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes you go down. Then there is excitement, then there is challenge that yes, this is life and I can do it. Did you all understand it
Yes,
properly? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll give you all the vocabulary you have got. Please check out the words which I have already given you all.